Hello everyone and welcome to third part of data handling. This means this is OM Prakash and today we are going to learn pie chart. We will start from pie chart. Pie chart. This means data which we represent, which we show in the form of circle, that is known as pie chart. It is shown here that chocolate 50%, liked by some students, other flavor 25% and vanilla 25%. This means how from a particular table, from particular data, we can construct pie chart. One condition is given, the favorite flavor of ice creams for students of a school is given in percentage. Okay, so that on the basis of this data, chocolate as a flavor, that percentage of students preferring the flavor that is 50%, vanilla that is 25% and the other flavor that is 25%. This means that percentage data is given here. Data may be in digits also. You may get data in digits also. Then how we can convert this data into pie chart? And means how we can construct that. So flavors, it is written here. Students in percentage preferring flavors, that is written. In fraction, this means if the data is in percentage, in that case also we can convert in fraction, that 50% means what? Percent we already know that percent means upon 100 into 1 upon 100. So 50 upon 100 means 1 upon 2. And if the data is in digits, so that also we can convert into fractions. Suppose it is 5, 2 and 3. So it is 10. So if you have to convert this one, so 5 upon 10 will be there. 5 to 3 it is 10. In another case if we can consider. Right now we have in percentage. So 50%, 1 upon 2, 25%, 1 upon 2, no 1 upon 4 and 25%, 1 upon 4. That is for other flavor. Now this means this fraction we will convert fraction of 360 degree. So what fraction we will obtain, that fraction we will multiply with 360 degree, dear students. And when we will multiply that, what result we will get? 1 upon 2 into 360 degree, that is 180 degree. And 1 upon 4 into 360 degree, that is 90 degree. Again 1 upon 4 into 360 degree, that is 90 degree. Now this means we have to construct this data, we have to construct pie chart now. So one circle we will construct, we will draw one circle with some radius like 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, like that. It is not fixed that what we will take, but if you will take various more, that is also big problem. If you will take very large radius, that is also problem. So the radius we will choose according to us. Now, which is sufficient, this circle we have constructed. Now from these three data, that is 180 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, out of these three, any one we can take. We will draw that from the center of the circle. In this, I have taken 180 degree distance. So, with the help of protractor, 180 degree we will construct. It is not compulsory that above only, anywhere we can construct, but it is that above I have constructed 180 degree. And second one below, either this side or this side, any side we can take, and again any one out of these two, because one already we have taken. Chocolate we have already taken, vanilla and other flavor it is here. So from these two, anyone we can take. Vanilla you take 90 degree, you construct from here, so this is 90 degree. So when out of 3 2 will construct, third will automatically be constructed. Okay, so by this, dear students, step 1, second step, third step, means in 3 steps we have constructed. As we have 3 data, so in 3 steps we have constructed. If we have 4 data, then 4 steps it will take. If we have 5 data, then in 5 steps it will be constructed. Let's come to the new topic, chance and probability. Chance and probability. What is that chance? That the chance of the train being in time or being late are not the same. Suppose you are in journey. You are in journey through train. Sometimes it may happen that you may be late and you may reach on time also. So that chances are there. During rainy season also. Suppose you are ready with your rainy kit and rain has not occurred. Someday it happened that you have forgotten your raincoat and that day heavy rain came. So these are the chances that may come. One more we will see. Now dear students, linking chances to probability. How we can link that chances to probability, that we will see. Consider the experiment of tossing a coin. Every students do that. What are the outcomes? Either head or else tail. Head will come or tail will come. So that will be what? Half chance of head, half of tail. Another example is this. Now through a die marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The students, that die, most of the students think that is dice. The students, dice is plural form of die. So when we will talk about one die we will use. When we will talk about 2, that will be dice. Okay. So one number on each side will be placed only. That all the students have idea about that. What is the probability of getting outcome 2? What is the probability of getting outcome 2? So 1 may come, 2 may come, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are talking about what is the probability of getting 2. So total 6 different possibilities are there, and out of that we are talking about 2. That is one event. So that will be 1 upon 6, dear students. For this question, the answer will be 1 upon 6. It is written also 1 upon 6. So 1 half number of outcomes giving 2. That is 1 only. 6 number of equally likely outcomes. That is there. Now dear students, we will see what is the probability of getting an even number. What is the probability of getting an even number? So yes, dear all, in these given data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have to select even numbers. So 2, 4 and 6. How many we have? 3. So probability will be 3 upon 6. After cancelling out, we will get 1 upon 2. Now students, by this one formula of probability we have, probability of an event, that number of outcomes that make an event number of outcomes that make an event upon total number of outcomes of the event. Total experiment actually. Total number of outcomes of the experiment. Okay students, so by this we have concluded this chapter. Okay students, again we will meet in the next chapter. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.